Hello everyone, welcome to Tarkashastra. I am Aditya, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to increase your efficiency of preparation for any MBA entrance exam using the study material provided by Tarkashastra. So this is applicable for all the MBA entrance exams as well as BBA entrance exams, because the pattern or the package of study material provided to all the courses is same except the topics and questions. And I am repeating myself. This we are talking about only study material except live or classroom sessions and the recorded videos. So if you are preparing for any entrance exam, the most important points are books. Then you need to have the solutions which we have provided in mobile app. Then you need to practice enough number of mock tests. Correct. The first step is to understand the concept which we teach in live sessions or classroom sessions, or you can also go for the recorded videos. Once you have understood the concept, or once you have learned the concept through any of these mode, you have to turn to books, open the chapter which you have learned today, practice enough number of questions to understand the accuracy of your questions which you have solved. Open the mobile app to check for the solutions and also take a topic wise test. So let us say you have completed a particular topic in today's session. After going home, you'll have to open the book, solve the same topic. Let us say we are talking about a topic of geometry, triangles. It was explained to you in a session or in a live session or in a classroom or in recorded format. Once you go home, open the books, go back and go to this chapter, solve enough number of practice questions. To check your accuracy, go to the mobile app and check the solutions. Once you are satisfied and confident enough about the preparation of your chapter, by EOD or in the evening time, take the topic wise test from mobile app. This is a timer based test which will give you a feedback about your level of preparation. Each test is of minimum 30 marks, and if you have scored more than 80%, that is more than 24 marks in that test, you can say that you are prepared enough for that topic. Then if you are preparing for any exam, let us say CAT or IPMAT, MBA exams, BB exams, CAT, SNAP, CET, IPMAT, SET, others, you must take the mock test to practice the question pattern, strategy, and everything else about that exam. So let us see. This is a sample of our books. So we have started with the theory. Enough amount of theory for each and every chapter is given. So let us take an example of numbers ka chapter. Enough amount of theory of that chapter is given. Then you can see that the chapters actually started from page number 2, and this is the first question which have come up on page number 16. So there is an enough amount of theory on the top of the chapter numbers for 14 to 15 pages. Then these are practice questions. बीच में आप लोग देख सकते हो, this is a box which gives you barcode. Correct. Once you have solved these practice questions in classroom and practice exercises, you have to go to the Play Store and download this app. Once installed, you will come across this screen. The username and password is sent to you over a mail from Tarkashastra Academy. Enter those credentials and log into the app. You'll come across a screen like this. There are multiple menu available. To check the solutions for that code for the particular exercise, you have to go to book code scanner. इससे थोड़ा असाइन PPTs see. There are multiple menus. यहाँ पे bottom में एक menu है book code scanner. Once clicked on this, you will come across this screen. You will land on this screen. यहाँ पे either you can scan the barcode or enter the test code. कहाँ से? This one. This is a barcode which you can scan. और उसके नीचे if you see, this is a numeric code. आपको बुक में clearly दिख जाएगा. You can enter that code and check for the solutions. Now, how to take the mock test? Go to your browser, type in www.tarkashastra.co.in. Please check in for the spelling. It's TARKASHASTRA. You will land on this website. These are our previous results of CAT 2019. इसी के साइड में PPA 2019 का भी रिजल्ट दिया हुआ, PPA 2020 का रिजल्ट है. Then you have to register yourself. You have to register yourself with your email ID. With your email ID and the password of your choice. Once you have registered on the website, please drop us a message or give us a call. We will assign the particular course which you have registered for so that you get access to all the videos. Then you have your login ID and password, which is your email ID and password of your choice. You have to click here and log in. Once logged in, let us say I have logged in as a user Aditya Thakre. This is my email ID. Everything, this is the result of BBA, guys. So now this has to be updated because many of them have converted to Symbiosis. This is BBA result, okay? Symbiosis and other top-notch institutes. So once logged in, using your personal email ID and password, you will see one section, my section, extra menu over there, in which you can access the videos, access extra study material, and take mock test. Let us look at mock test. Once clicked on the mock test, a new tab will open like this, wherein you have to enter a username and password, which is sent to you over a mail. This is not your email ID password. This is sent to you. I am repeating myself. This is sent to you over a mail from Tarkashastra Academy mail ID. You can check your inbox for mail from support @ I'll just write it over here. It's support @ tarkashastra.co.in. You have to check a mail, check your inbox for mail from this ID. Same login and user ID password should be used for login over here. Mobile app and test series, you have to use same login ID password. Once logged in, see, this is a mail, sample mail. Hello Aditya, I have sent a mail from this ID, support@tarkashastra.co.in. You'll get all the instructions. You'll get this login ID like this, which you have to use for mobile app as well as test platform. This is a password also provided in that email ID. Once logged in a mail ID, you will come across a screen, login screen like this. You can access all the different menus, explore all the menus. To take mock test, you can go to online test section. You will find various mock tests available over there. There are more than 100 full-length mock tests available, plus 250 plus unit test and sectional tests available. in this platform. You can access all the tests from your laptop, desktop, or your mobile app. All the user interface is same. All the tests are accessible from any platform, any device. It's completely user friendly. You can explore all the sections, and still if you have any doubt, you can contact us on these numbers. This is the website which I had told you. To check the latest updates about any MBA or BBA entrance exam, solutions of previous year exams, exam questions, you can subscribe us on YouTube to check the latest updates and stay updated about your exam. And for your preparation, you can follow us and subscribe us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you guys. Best of luck for your preparation.